I am in room 245 at the Virginia Crossing Hilton in Richmond, Virginia. Just check this out. So as I walk in, right away I've got a very large mirror to my left, a little table here, and the bathroom. It is very well lit with a lot of counter space and plug-ins on one wall, not both. Shower area. Looks like it has a tub and a shower and a hair dryer on the back of the door. Got a closet with a safe at the bottom, iron and board and iron, of course, and some shelving up top. It's convenient. Coming into the room, got a lamp, some desktop area. 2 lamps and tables on either side. It looks like on both of these there is a USB and plug-in on both sides of these tables. This is a king size room with a chair in the corner and a very large TV, about a 55-inch. I am on the second floor, so here looking out, I am like on the, I guess you'd consider it the ground floor-ish looking. But this place doesn't look like a hotel. It looks like someone's extravagant old colonial house that they've just like, hey, let's make it a hotel. That being said, I have a hard time figuring out where I'm supposed to park to get my luggage up here. There is a elevator when you walk in the door that is out of service and you have to walk down a long way. But she says I can easily access it from the side. I just have to figure out how to do that. Here's my controls for the thermometer. Over here on the desk, there is some USB plug and a regular plug. There's a Keurig coffee maker down here and a fridge. Feels like it's a fridge. It doesn't feel like it's cold, but maybe it's just turned off. And some shelving area. So I'm right across the hall from a thing with vending machines and ice maker. I don't know what you call that officially, but I'll give you an update as I stay here. All right. Let me go see if I can figure out how to get my luggage up here. Okay, I got relocated to room 201 because the heat was broken in the other room. So this room is identical to the other room except backwards. Where everything was one side the other way, it's on this side this way. Only difference is my safe leans, so the door has to be set to keep closed, otherwise it just bangs against the door. The AC works, sort of. It's cooler in here. It says 73, even though it's set on 68. Now it says 74. That's not fun. This door is not on its hinges, it's fallen off. It doesn't look like much, but it is definitely damaged. And for whatever reason, on this one, the refrigerator opens on the other side. They never changed the hinge to open up the correct way. And it's actually frozen inside. So that's fun. Yeah, okay. Whatever. It's just a place to sleep, right? This is the hotel that I'm at, the Virginian Common by Hilton. This is where you check in. This is, my room is like in this building. Kind of just pan around here. This is where we're supposed to go to eat. And then the view is just, it's not your typical hotel. Well, I gotta say, the sunrise as you're coming out of the room to the cafeteria hall over here is pretty. Okay, so I've stayed 5 nights here, and water pressure is really great. The bed's comfortable. AC works okay in the room that worked. They did have to change my rooms. I was a little disappointed in the condition of the room. The door falling off the cabinet where the fridge is. I had a light beside the bed that would flicker on and off at times. I tried to see if it was the bulb. It's not. It's something in the wiring. But other than that, everything else was great. It is beautiful here. I mean, just holy cow. But yeah, so that's my experience. The hot water is instant. I mean, super, super, super hot water. I do wish they had more bars of soap. I like bars, not the body wash stuff. They did have one bar, and I kind of made it last all week. But I also put a sign on my door for no guest services. I just didn't need people coming in there every day and feeling like they needed to do anything. I mean, I'm only in there long enough to sleep. But yeah, there's my review. Hope this helps you.